today in Daydreams. So, we have a small problem that we're going to be dealing with today. The ice storm kind of got my windshield good, okay? Now you're probably wondering, what the fuck got this? Well, I do normally park my car over here, where this large stick is, and you're probably thinking, well, obviously it was the stick. No, it wasn't. No, it wasn't, because it didn't happen over here. I had backed my car up over here, where there's no trees, except for that one right there. You can see that big stick right there, and you're probably thinking, oh, that's what got it. No, because it was backed up, and that's where the tail end of the car was. The front end was about right here. I'm thinking an icicle fell from one of those branches, because these were bent down, and the ice was so bad. And I think it just hit my car. Because I noticed when it happened about last week. No, it wasn't last week. Last weekend? That there was melted ice about right here. Anyway, it's gonna be about 2 to 3 weeks before I can get this fixed. And I need some way to protect this in the meantime. And that's what we're doing today. Because I thought it'd be funny to see me struggle. So what do we got? What do we got? What can we protect it with? Well, I went down to the nearby pot store, auto supply store, and they're like, we don't know, duct tape. Fine. I got these little paint canvases because they're strong and sturdy. And then I got me Gorilla Tape from the Dollar General. And that, folks, is what we're going to put on it. Now we're going to start on the inside. Let me show my goggle on this end. Hang on. Okay, here we are. Is that so? That looks so now. I'm trying to put something up. Hang on. Okay, I got the paint canvases out. I'm gonna do it this side. And the plan is just to stick this like right here. Yeah. And like scrape it. Yeah. Hopefully it'll keep the rest of this from coming back in on me. I tape it like that. I should probably get the duct tape open first. So this is going to be easier to open than the tiny things were. Okay. There we go. It might be a little upside down now. Here. Alright, now you want to put up. Okay. Okay. Now you can see me try this. Yeah, it's already in there. Yes. How many pieces of duct tape are you going to use? Probably a lot. That's Gorilla Tape, thank you. I'm gonna go do the outside. No, wait a minute. I'm gonna put just gonna do the exact same thing on the outside. Yeah, I mean my windshield wipers up and they've been causing damage to this. I went ahead and put the paint thing in. I'm gonna just use the windshield cleaner. Stop it all. Stop them when they're up high. Hopefully. Okay, look, I took the paint thing with it. Not at all. Alright, folks, one last thing we gotta do. We gotta test the windshield wipers. That's all we gotta do. And we're done here. Okay, I'm not even going to attempt the most hardest speed on the windshield wipers. But I think that'll hold for maybe 2 weeks, which is all I needed to. Alright. I'm not sure where my camera is. It's right there, I think. I know, I think I'm looking at it, but it looks like I'm looking at the opposite direction. Okay. Wipers are still on. Okay, well. Thanks for watching this, guys. I'll do another little video when I officially get it the fuck fixed. It just... I don't quite have the money for it, and then also it's gonna be like till the end of February before I can get it fixed because I saw what happened last week. Fuck. So that'll work. Temporarily. Alright, I gotta go to Dollar Tree and get my grandma some medicine. Bye!